This is the video for routine 104 of the change picture game. It first sets tall, that's T, to 25, wide, W, to 30, then for I of 0 to the next I till 5, one at a time. It's going to go through this loop 6 times. Each time it's going to set an X and Y value to the position of the answer tree. But then it's going to alter that XY position by subtracting 15 from X, that's going to go to the left, and 18 from Y, that's going to move it further to the top. So this XY was the center of the tree. It's going to reposition it towards the top of the tree, and it's going to make a rectangle. So it needs the upper left-hand corner of that rectangle. Then it's going to do a box R, which means make that box clickable. Now it didn't draw the box, did it? It didn't have to. When it says box R, it says if these parameters make a rectangle, then it is clickable, and it assigns it a click number of 11 plus I. So the first one, when I is 0, will be 11. Then it says add to XS 505. Well, that takes it to the other side of the screen. And then it says for that tree, make it clickable also, but assign it the number of 17 plus I. Alright, so what's happening here is it's making clickable areas on each of the answer trees, and it was adjusted to make the clickable answer towards the top of the tree. The next thing it does, it says check for any clicks and put the value of what they clicked in K. Well, we know if it's one of these, it's going to be from 11 to 16, and then 17 plus 4 more, 21. Now, when it comes through here, if one of those was clicked, down here it says, well, subtract 11 from it. Well, then this one's going to go from 0 to 5, and then after that, it checks to make sure that it's a positive value, or at least 0. If it's not, it'll go to EE. And then it mods it with 6. So it'll have 0 to 5 for here, and 0 to 5 for here. Then it says, well, that is one of the answer trees, and you clicked it, so I'm going to say in the found list, that one at offset K is set to 1, meaning it's found. Now, let's go to the program itself. Excuse me, there we are. And I want to go to data, and in data, down here it says click areas. I'm going to click on that. Here we see those areas that got marked as clickable. Here's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. If they're clicked on the other side, it's going to be 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. Here are the other clickable areas. There's the number click, here's the show the answers, and here's the show the YouTube. Alright, these are the areas that it's set up as clickable, and if they're clicked, it's going to mark it as found. Go back to the program. Alright, that's the end of this video for routine 104 of change picture.